how to find your Samsung phone's activation date. So if you want to check your phone's activation date, either it's Samsung or any other Android device, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, tap on About Phone. Under About Phone, you will have IMEI slots, right? So just simply tap on Detailed Info and Specs under your About Phone. After that, scroll down, go with Status. And as you can see that you will have your IMEI SIM slots, right? So you just need to simply go and select your IMEI number. Go with Copy. After copying, you need to open up your browser, go with your Google and search for IMEI check. Go with the first option. Here you need to paste your IMEI number. After entering, just simply go with check, which will be on the right side. And here you will be able to check your warranty status check or your blacklist status check and all of your basic information right here. You can go with any Android device and check the activation date. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.